Hi, I'm Mary Person, a business analyst. I've been a business analyst for a long time. I describe my job as helping everybody else do their job easier. So how can I help you study for your CBAP and make that path easier? Well, I would recommend AdaptiveUS Bootcamp. It helped me earn my certification and in so many other ways, which I'm going to talk about with you right now. I tried learning from other places on my own, through group sessions, all kinds of different ways. And I just didn't feel like I had the foundation that I needed to take the exam. When I signed up for Adaptive, I felt like they were going to offer me all these different tools in order to pass the exam. And they did just that. They offered flashcards with multiple ways to use them, chapters in writing based on the weekly sessions, quizzes for those, mock exams, written modules for the modeling and the math part, extra sessions when needed. Everything was thoroughly covered from multiple angles. They went through the vocabulary, they went through the problems, they went through the modeling, they offered tips and tricks. All of it was done by exceptional mentors who were very available. No question was unanswered. From these courses, I was able to take my exam quickly. I passed with really high scores that I was very happy about. Not only did it help me with my certification, but it helped me at work too. I was able to apply what I was learning, which helped me elicit requirements better, document them better, trace them, which I hadn't done previously, and track them all the way through development, testing, everything. So it's really helped me all the way around. The new job that I got after my certification has nearly doubled my paycheck, which has been really nice. But on top of that, the people that I work with in my new job, they recognize the value that these tools and tips and tricks that I understand so much better now add value to the work that they do. So, in closing, a great group of people, supportive throughout, long-term, they want you to succeed. They will be there for you. They're not just saying it. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your exam.